Hello everyone, welcome back to Liam Boy Vlog. Today's video is a part 2 of Slingshot and I am going to show you how to shoot it. But before that, we'll have to make a ball for it.
Dưới thân tua đây là chim khả
And now that we have taken the soil, we'll mix it with water and make the ball from it. We are able to make around 300 balls and we will place it in the sunny place to be dry and to become as hard as a stone. or 6 hours in the sunny, they get dry and become as hard as a stone. Okay, now that we have the slingshot with the ball, I am going to show you how to shoot it. It's very simple. You just have to hold it firmly and pull back with the ball and release to your target. It's very simple. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, that's it. It's not that difficult. It's very simple. You can also try it at home. And also please let me know in the comment below if you have ever tried this before, especially when you're a teenager. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace.